Hello friends, today I am back with another lecture of chemistry and the name of the chapter is chemical kinetics. So before going straight away to the topic, let's solve a small numerical. Here the reaction is given 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O and the rate of formation of NO is 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 more liter inverse second inverse, and we have to find the rate of disappearance of ammonia and the rate of formation of H2O. For this we write the instantaneous rate, which is minus, this is our solution, minus 1 by 4, because here the coefficient of NH3 is 4, delta concentration of NH3 divided by dt equals to minus 1 by 5 concentration of O2 divided by dt equals to 1/4 the concentration of NO equals to 1 by 6 the concentration of H2O divided by dt. Here the negative sign indicates that the concentration of NH3 and O2 is decreasing because these two reactants combine to give these two products. So here I have put 4 because here I divide this by 4 because here the coefficient 4 is present and here the coefficient 5 is present, here the coefficient 4 is present and here the coefficient 6 is present. So we have to find the rate of disappearance of NH3. We have to find the rate of disappearance of NH3. So we equate minus 1 by 4 d concentration of NH3 divided by dt equals to 3.6, or we can say equals to 1 by 4 d NO divided by dt. These two quantities are equal, so we equate in this manner. 1 by 4 is cancelled out, minus d concentration of NH3 divided by dt equals to the rate of formation of NO is given, which is 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 more liter inverse sec inverse. So our first solution is the rate of disappearance of NH3 is 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole liter inverse sec inverse. And our second problem is we have to find the rate of formation of H2O. So we have to equate these two expressions. 1 by 4 d concentration of NO divided by dt equals to 1 by 6 d concentration of H2O divided by dt. These two expressions are equal, so we equate these two expressions in this manner, and we have to find the rate of formation of H2O. That is d concentration of H2O divided by dt equals to 6/4 into d concentration of NO divided by dt. So d concentration of H2O divided by dt equals to 3/2 into the rate of formation of NO is 3.6 into 10 raised to the power -3. So this will be equal to 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Here 9, 5, and here 27. 27 divided by 5 into 10 raised to the power -3 mole liter inverse, second inverse. So here 25.4 into 10 raised to the power -3 mole liter inverse in second inverse. So the rate of formation of H2O will be 5.4 into 10 raised to the power -3 mole liter inverse second inverse. Topic is factors affecting rate of reaction. So in this session our topic is factors affecting rate of reaction. Our first factor is nature of reactants. Suppose 2NO plus O2 combines to give 2NO2. 2CO plus O2 combines to give 2CO2. Now you all will tell that the rate for these two reactions will be same or not. Just comment in the comment section. No, the answer is no, because here the reactants are different. So the bond dissociation enthalpy for both of the reaction will be different. So we can say that the rate of reaction depends on nature of reactant. Second factor is concentration of reactants. As we know that if we increase the concentration of reactant, then the time will also increase, and if we decrease the concentration of reactant, then the time will decrease. Our third factor is temperature. At every 10 degree Kelvin or Celsius rise in temperature, the rate of the reaction almost gets doubled. So we can say that at every 10 degree Celsius, rise in temperature, rate of reaction almost gets doubled. So our fourth factor is presence of catalyst. Catalysts are of two types: positive catalyst and negative catalyst. Positive catalyst increases the rate of the reaction and negative catalyst decreases the rate of reaction. This is our theme. Plus H2 in presence of palladium, platinum and nickel. In this reaction we are doing the hydrogenation of ethene. These are our catalysts. They provide surface to the reaction. Here the catalysts are palladium, platinum and nickel. So this is our fourth factor, presence of catalyst. Our fifth factor is presence of radiation. Some chemical reaction take place in the presence of radiation. H2 plus Cl2 takes place in the presence of radiation. Our sixth factor is surface area of reactants. Surface of area of reactants. Before going to this topic, surface area of reactant, my question to you all is why do pieces of wood burn faster than log of wood of same mass? My question is, why do pieces of wood burn faster than log of wood of same mass? The answer lies within this factor, surface area of reactant. Because in pieces of wood we increase the surface area of reactant, and as a result they are more exposed and they can actively participate in the reaction. So pieces of wood burn faster than log of wood because their surface area is increased, or we can say they are more exposed. So our sixth factor is that if we increase the surface area of reactant, then it will affect the rate of the reaction. So these are 6 factors which affect the rate of the reaction.